Get ready to sail the skies and fly the clouds. Getting this launcher ready isn't easy. And those wing gliders are almost here. Still need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings. When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see Berk better than any dragon. You know what we call a wing glider without wings? Trouble! This is terrible! On your left, you'll see some bronco eggs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea. Oh boy. Hold on tight. The glider wasn't built for this. Completely impressed. If you ever want to go flying again, just stop by. Toothless and I will be waiting for you. We're the best of friends. Toothless, not the face, not the face. I have no idea where your tongue's being. The horizon awaits, Vikings. Let's get you flying. Toothless, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drawing. These wings will give you a dragon's view without all that chafing from it. Toothless, you forgot the wings! That is not a good thing to forget. Hang on! Here it comes! This would be a great place to stop, you know, stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. All joking aside, you really can't get here when you think, oh, not good. Hey, come on! And I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Berk, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothless? Yeah.